India-UAE CEPA marks 4 years in May 2026, the bigger story may lie not in the agreement itself, but in what has been built around it. Because trade does not move on agreements alone. It moves through borders, through customs systems, through ports, through warehousing and distribution networks. And that is where Dubai is becoming increasingly important, not simply as a market, but as an operating layer within the India-UAE trade corridor. This is no longer only a story about tariff access. It's a story about how trade actually flows and how businesses scale once market access is in place. When CEPA came into force in 2022, it marked a major shift in economic cooperation between India and the UAE. Since then, bilateral trade has expanded sharply across sectors such as engineering goods, chemicals, food products, machinery, and high-value manufacturing. But nearly 4 years on, the attention is shifting from market access to trade execution. How quickly can goods clear borders? How efficiently can shipments move into regional channels? And how reliably can exporters serve multiple markets from one base? That is where Dubai's trade infrastructure becomes relevant, not as background, but as a business advantage. Dubai Customs plays a central role in enabling cross-border commerce. Through digital trade systems, cargo processing improvements, and compliance frameworks, it helps goods move more efficiently through Dubai's logistics base. For exporters and traders, this means something extremely valuable: predictability. Faster clearance cycles can reduce delays, lower friction, and improve planning across supply chains. These efforts also align with Dubai's broader economic ambition under D33, which aims to double the size of the Emirates economy and strengthen its role as a global economic center. Dr. Abdullah Busenad, Director General of Dubai Customs, highlights how customs modernization is becoming central to Dubai's wider trade strategy. Dubai's role in trade is not limited to one market. Its ports, free zones, and logistics platforms are designed to connect businesses across Asia, Africa, and Europe. The emerging Bharat-Africa Setu is a useful example. It strengthens the India-Dubai-Africa trade path by helping businesses route goods through Dubai into African markets more effectively. That can mean lower complexity, better consolidation, and wider reach from a single operating base. That is what turns a corridor into trade infrastructure. This is also why new distribution capacity matters. The upcoming Bharat Mart facility in Jebel Ali Free Zone, now under construction, is designed to give Indian exporters a dedicated platform closer to regional and global demand. For manufacturers and traders, that could mean holding inventory in Dubai, shortening delivery cycles, and serving the Middle East and Africa more efficiently through one logistics base. Instead of serving each market separately, firms can operate through a distribution platform built for scale. Satish Kumar Sivan, Consul General of India in Dubai, points to how the India-UAE relationship is expanding well beyond conventional trade. Dubai's business clusters also play a role in this shift. For companies, scale becomes easier when logistics, services, financing, and trade support sit within the same operating environment. That is one reason Indian businesses continue to expand across Dubai's commercial districts and free zones. India's B2B platform Moglix has expanded its Middle East presence to connect manufacturers with regional supply chains. Amara Chemicals has established manufacturing operations in Jebel Ali Free Zone, serving India, the GCC, and wider global markets. Trade efficiency is also shaped by how money moves. Payment connectivity between India and the UAE through UPI-linked infrastructure within the UAE's financial landscape. For smaller exporters and service providers, that can reduce transaction friction and improve settlement speed across borders. Ahmad bin Sulaim, Executive Chairman and CEO of DMCC, points to the continued expansion of Indian businesses within Dubai's commercial clusters. India and the UAE are now exploring ways to deepen economic cooperation further. Leaders from both countries have discussed the potential to expand bilateral trade to $200 billion by 2032. As CEPA marks 4 years in May 2026, the next phase of India-Dubai trade will depend not only on market access, it'll depend on the efficiency of trade systems. Dubai's investments in customs modernization, logistics infrastructure, distribution platforms, and digital trade systems suggest that the city is not only expanding trade, it's building the operating systems that will shape how global commerce moves next.